In this video, we will show you how to use X600W drone. First, use the screwdriver to remove the screw and open the battery cover. Then put 4 AA batteries into the remote control. Close the battery cover and use the screwdriver to tighten the screw. Take out the battery from the drone. Connect the battery to the USB charging cable. Then plug another end of the charging cable into the adapter. The indicator light is red when charging and stays off when the battery is fully charged. Before installation, please note that there is propeller A and propeller B. First, pick up propeller A, place it on the A shaft. Use the screwdriver to tighten the screw and put the propeller nut cap on. Then pick up propeller B and install it in the same way. To install propeller guards, place the propeller guard at the end of the arm. Next, use a screwdriver to tighten the screw. The installation is complete. First, power on the drone. The light starts flickering. Then turn on the switch of the remote control. The indicator light starts blinking. Raise the left joystick up and down. The pairing is successful when the indicator lights stay on. Push the left joystick upward. All blades begin to rotate. Push the left joystick upward again. The drone takes off. Push the left joystick downward. The drone lands. Push the left joystick upward. All blades begin to rotate. Press the 1 key takeoff land button. The drone takes off. Press the button again. The drone lands. After pairing the drone with the remote control, open the Wi-Fi setting on your phone. Connect to the Wi-Fi that starts with FPV_Wi-Fi. Then open SYMA Fly app. Select the model of X600W, and click Start. The screen will show the real-time image from the camera. Thank you for viewing our setup instructions video.